你見好多西洋拳啊
You see many Western style boxing,
成日都有閃避，
always dotting.
但係詠春冇。
Wing Chun would never dot.
並唔係話西洋拳唔好。
It's not that the boxing is no good.
boxing 係一個 game 嚟，詠春係一個搏擊術嚟，係兩樣嘢。
Boxing
大家要求唔一樣。
Boxing is more or less tend to the side of a game, but Wing Chun is a purpose of the Wing Chun is used to fight.
喺西洋拳係呢個位，只係準呢個位打嘅，唔準呢一個位，亦都唔準呢一個位。
In the boxing, you have rules that you can only use this part of the hand to hit people, cannot use the back or the other side.
既然有咁多規則
So many rules
係 game 嚟㗎啦。
already a game there.
兩個人打交係冇規則。
Because if you fight, two persons fight, there's no rules.
喺詠春係好注重長橋發力，不過呢個幾難分。
In the Wing Chun, the important part of the Wing Chun is that you can issue your force while your force already given out.
假如喺詠春嚟講，佢要做到係最精細嘅，每一個動作做到最精細嘅。
In the Wing Chun's requirement is that every movement requires the most economic way.
嗱，譬如我打佢啊，
For instance, if I hit him,
打打拳，
I hit him.
呢個動作出去係威脅佢嘅。
The traveling distance, the movement of the traveling distance is to threaten him.
但我打佢唔中咧，我翻成呢個動作咧，係對佢一啲威脅都冇。
If I retreat my fist, so this movement doesn't give him the slightest threatening.
你睇一個動作兩個動作係嘥咗一個動作㗎啦。
Then your movements are wasted.
喺詠春入邊，所以我打唔打佢一拳，詠春喺呢個位去啦，或者就咁去。
Wing Chun is that if you hit him, he dots. Wing Chun will never take it off. But from that point where the fist stop, carry on to complete the mission.
或者我打到一拳再一拳，佢就
If
會
it goes to that side, just chase to that side. Chase the shadow.
我諗你哋好多人都睇過李小龍 inch punch。
About Bruce Lee, you heard about the zero punches, the inch punch.
其實根本就係詠春。
That is, as a matter of fact, is Wing Chun.
嗱，你睇我頭先個動作啊，一個動作打嘅，第二個動作仍然打嘅。
One movement is attack, the other movement still attack. No negative movement of pulling back.
所以喺詠春入邊咧，認為咧，你個頭點樣閃都好，係快唔過隻手嘅。
In the side of seeing, by Wing Chun, no matter how fast your head moves, can never be faster than the fist.
所以佢詠春並唔閃並唔成，但係你唔好睇頭先呢個動作咁簡單。
Therefore, Wing Chun has no dotting.
假如你平時嘅訓練係唔夠，你冇信心去咁樣打嘅。
If you don't have enough training of the Wing Chun, you have no confidence to hit like that.
當然喺小練頭邊，或者尋佢就咁圈係唔夠，仲要練好多沙包，好多輔助嘅運動啊。
Undoubtedly, only in the forms you do so many times of rinse-out is insufficient. For supplementary of the training, you have to hit a lot of sandbags and other
嗱，我而家我
Eventually came.
到由小唔同我開始講嚟聽。
So now I'm going to start to discuss about 小念頭。